Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming for November 2024 Patreon, Part 3. We'll be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord, and all the links I will be looking at will be down in the description below. Let's get to it. So Nation, Ronda 3D Studios, we are getting Queen Serenity, so basically the feature of Sailor Moon. Last month was Sailor Neptune. I don't think Neptune is fully done if you got it during October. But Queen Serenity is for November. Go check them out. Pink Studio. We have Sheltier from last month. That was done. For November, we will be getting the Tefila and Archdemon Dilemma. So that's what we're gonna be getting. I think I've seen her before. I wish I would got Wiz. Wiz would be a lot better, but oh well. Munchkin, another figure as well. This was last month, and we are getting, I don't know, time to vote. So we have two people that voted for it. So we got Izuma or Neptuna all the way. So I'm getting this one. We won't really know. Pinky Prince, another figure one as well. We got December already votes for it. This will be our November. We got Lucy, Marin, and Theo for November model. Kira figure, another figure one as well. This is the October one. And we will be getting November Felix, our little tomboy. Femboy. Rupee, and a Shoot 10. So these three. Dorit Wolf is another figure. They do mostly animal prints. If you do a lot of animals in your D&D game, this might be it. So we got catfish, some rats, and birds and stuff. Go check them out if you want some nature prints for yourself. Print and paint miniatures. We got. This is for D&D. And this is a free support. But here's November release. So we got some troll, some gladiator, old school style orc. This is an orc as well. But yeah. They got some little terrains, bits and bots. Beastarium miniatures. This is like an old school style. This is like Dark Souls and Elden Ring style figure. Very grim, dark style like that. And this we have, that's December for it, but here's November review. What do we get? So these are your heroes and your villains and stuff like that. So what we got is a fruiting body, a Nephrigo host. So this is like the fungus area, the rot. This would be a pretty cool thing for like a horror situation in the game. Or you go to the Underdark and you see these fungus just, taking over bodies and so forth. We got the folks of the realm. So basically we got cultists. We got some slaves as well. And we got the heroes. Blind spellcaster, lion shield bearer, lion beastmaster. So these are like lion folks for it. And it also comes with adventures and stuff if you want that as well. Duncan Shadow is another Dungeons and Dragons style as well. I don't know what we're getting for this month. Another Goblin kit. Looks like it. And these goblins are freaking muscular. Oh, female sturdy sculpt. So we got another female studio. We got Rice Crusader. And snow trolls, some bust, hill giant, swarms, a swarm of looks like locusts and frogs. We'll check them out. Pollock Studio, another D&D style, and they're gone. White Werewolf Tavern, another D&D one. I don't think we gotta watch the video for this. I believe, yeah. We get to watch it. So it looks like undead slash circus, in my opinion, for it. So we got Albert the Soul Slayer. We got Albert the Soul Slayer diorama, which looks like a hellhound. Bonesmith. We got Seraphine the Dread Mother. And Grim Blade Revelant. That looks pretty sick. All the talisman and everything for it. The Crimson Huntress Kylie. It's like Freddy Krueger and a sword. God damn. Oh, she doesn't have a hand. So that's her freaking hand. Infernal Hound set. This is the Skullbreaker set. The Crimson Huntress set. Well, they just cut the hand and just shove it in the stub. One would just have, this would be good for a Slanesh proxy. And your bust, that'll be coming here as well. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy that. That's kind of cool to see. Print that goes on forever. They do a lot of Lord of the Rings on this one. November teaser. So we got a dragon turtle, serpent, Agathith, I believe it was called, Krill, seahorse, Davy Jones, and its crew, and some mermaids. It's kind of interesting. Maid Sorcerer Hina. Pretty late. Oh, Plesiosaurus. Now I gotta. Ashley will want that to paint. And we got some terrains. Oh, waves and everything. And you get a ship as well. Dragon Turtle. And your maps. That's actually pretty cool. Goon Master. Another kind of like D&D style. But this you could probably kit bashes or modify it for your Age of Sigmar or the Old World for this as well. That's a lot of freaking pieces just for that ship. I just want to print it solid. Tiny Hippo Gang. Uses your Planewalker. Bella Natch Miniature. She does mostly like kind of like D&D type figures for it. October's base. Looks like nothing has came out for November. What the Hell Mental Creation. Let's see here. They haven't done anything for several years. Crippling God Foundry. And this is also D&D. Also probably going to be good for Slanesh models as well. But it's mostly like Diablo 2 style. Get the Butcher, Andrea, I forgot what her name was. Necromancer stuff. So this is like, you know, Diablo 2. I have the Diablo 2 RPG book, but this one looks like Dark Eldars right here. So, yeah, Dark Eldars. So this will be good for your Dark Eldar game as well. Your throwbacks. Your welcome pack. The Lone Tower. I don't know. I forgot if this was still alive or not. October 31st. They're still alive. Releasing for November. Some zombie. Looks like some kind of lemurs from the hell. And mummies and stuff like that. That would be probably cool for if you're going to the hell games. Rocket thing is gone. One-page rules. Another proxy for Age of Sigmar, Old World, and 40k. They also have their own little thing as well. So we got some Skaven on ferrets. We got some Imperiums, proxies right here. Monk, terrains, shit. We got some Voltan and the Undead One proxies. Wood Elves, Owls, Imperiums. Is that really it? November release? That will get a lot more. Well, yeah, that'll be it, guys. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.